Starting around 23 October 2023, Axie endlessness is exchanging at $4.47 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in most recent 60 minutes. Axie has a sort of all-out market cap of $631,497,196, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $52,362,787, which for the most part is very critical. This most certainly makes Axie vastness, Axie, truly positioning at 57 in the digital currency market in a very large manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness basically be especially worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. Is Axie vastness a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will Axie's cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high in a fundamentally enormous manner? These in every way that really matters are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unpretentious manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the Axie vastness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost essentially is supposed to explicitly cross a by and large normal value level of $7.10, the normal especially least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to explicitly be $6.80, which fundamentally is very huge. Besides, Axie can generally arrive at a really most extreme value level of $7.73, incredibly. Axie's value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie endlessness generally is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly least value worth of $5.77, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Axie's cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $6.49, with the truly normal cost around $6.31, which generally shows that Axie fundamentally has a really complete market cap of $631,497,196, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $52,362,787 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie vastness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness truly is in every practical sense anticipated to really reach at a genuinely least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. Sort of additional appearance, how might Axie's cost for the most part outperform its untouched sort of high in a fundamentally significant manner? The Axie's cost could especially arrive at a very most extreme worth of $6.81, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, so by and large is Axie endlessness a genuinely wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Axie endlessness, Axie's value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie limitlessness cost in every practical sense is figured to generally arrive at a sort of the least cost of $6.33, showing that Axie's value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie vastness generally is supposed to especially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $5.77. Really, in spite of mainstream thinking, the Axie's cost could arrive at a really most extreme cost of $7.06, with the kind of typical expected cost around $6.57 in a truly significant manner. Axie's value conjecture November 2023. The Axie endlessness gauge for November 2023 expects that the Axie may generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $7.39, with a really least cost of around $6.59 in a truly significant manner. Discussing the by and large normal value Axie can in every practical sense stretch around $6.83 for November. Fundamentally further appearance how starting around 23 October 2023 Axie endlessness is exchanging at $4.47 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. Axie limitlessness, Axie value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness sort of is basically anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $7.73 and a really least of $6.80, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity S cost for the most part has shown a sort of good increment of 1.95% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Axie especially was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.53%, exhibiting that this sort of makes Axie limitlessness, Axie buy, and large positioning at 57 in the digital money market, which generally is very critical. Axie boundlessness basically has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to buy and large dive right in and contribute, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie certainly diminished by 52.449%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $4.93 from its fundamentally current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down really implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a decent truly purchase of valuable open door for sort of fast interest in an essentially significant manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 61.90%, and the cost circled from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of $10.80 to sort of greatest especially normal cost of $12.31 in the essentially beyond 90 days, so discussing the very normal value axes can truly stretch around $6.83 for November. Sort of additional appearance how starting around 23 October 2023 Axie endlessness in every practical sense is exchanging at $4.47 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Axie vastness sort of is somewhere near 32.79% with the most extreme especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $6.96 and the genuinely least fundamentally normal cost of basically was around $6.76 in exceptionally beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Axie boundlessness value gauge 2023 facts what will essentially be Axie limitlessness kind of worth in 2023, or so they certainly thought. The Axie's cost in every practical sense is gauged to generally arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $7.73, with all things considered, least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Does Axie boundlessness sort of have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Axie boundlessness truly has a remarkable certainly potential to generally arrive at new levels, which truly is genuinely critical. It especially is gauged that Axie will increment in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Axie vastness can especially stir things up around town, much the most exorbitant cost of $255.10 till 2030, which basically shows that certainly is Axie boundlessness, a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023.